In the middle of this year's Pride Month, on the heels of a global pandemic, as renewed calls for racial justice echoed in cities across the country, the Supreme Court made history by ruling that Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 applies to LGBTQ individuals. This means employers cannot fire workers for their sexual orientation or gender identity. Was this ruling overdue? Yes. Is it commendable? 100%. Mission accomplished? Not quite. Let's look at how June's Supreme Court decision impacts the future of LGBTQ inclusion in the workplace and our economic recovery. Ensuring the inclusion of the LGBTQ community has the potential to add $9 billion to our economy. The Supreme Court's June ruling can help us unlock that potential because our current workplaces are ripe with LGBTQ inequity, and it starts straight away during the hiring process. For instance, a female candidate who is perceived as being part of the LGBTQ community by her resume alone is 30% less likely to get an interview than non-LGBTQ candidates. In terms of pay equity, even though lesbians have a 9% wage premium on earnings compared to heterosexual women, they still make less than heterosexual men. And married lesbian couples have a median household income of almost $81,000, while married heterosexual couples have a median household income of almost $86,000. Eliminating this gap would reduce the poverty rate for lesbian couples from almost 8% to just over 5%. However, a single decision by the Supreme Court alone won't make our workplaces and economy more inclusive for LGBTQ employees. There is still work to do. Download the 2020 Gender Equity Voting Guide to discover how we can continue down the path of inclusion and create an economy that's equitable for the LGBTQ community. Until next time, be brave.